वंदना, आप सबका आईपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री क्लास 10 का चैप्टर 7 पेंट कल्चर एंड मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड का लेक्चर 2 देखने वाले हैं। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। The 19th century. The 19th century was the vast leap in the mass literally in the Europe. This brought a large number of new readers among children, women, workers. Many books were written and printed, keeping the mind, the sense, and sensibility of the children. Many folk tales were rephrased to suit the children. Many women become important as a reader as well as a writer. The leading library, which had been in existence from the 17th century, became the hub of activity for white collar worker, artisan, and lower middle class people. Through further innovation, Richard M. Hoy in New York perfected the power-driven cylindrical press by the mid-19th century. This could print 8,000 sheets per hour. Offset press was developed in the late 19th century. This could print up to 6 color at a time. Electrically operated presses come in use from the turn of 20th century. This helped in acceleration the printing process. Many other innovation took place during this period. All the innovation had a cumulative effect which improved the appearance of printed text. New strategy to sell the books. Many periodicals serialized important novels in the 19th century. In the 1920s, the England popular work were sold in a cheap series called the Shilling series. The dust cover or a book jacket is a 20th century innovation. Cheap paperback editions were brought to the counter the effect of the Great Depression in the 1930 India and the world of the print. The Portuguese missionaries first brought printing press to Goa in the mid 16th century. The first book were printed in a Konkani language by the 1674. About 50 books has been printed in a Konkani language and Konkara language. Catholic Priest printed the first Tamil and the Malayalam book in the 1579 at the Cochin and the 1733 respectively. From the 1780s, James August Hickey began to edit the Bengal Gazette. It was the first weekly Indian newspaper brought out by the Gangadhar Bhattacharya. Hickey also published a lot of gossip about the senior official of the company. Governor General Warren Hastings persecuted Hickey. Warren Hastings encountered the publication of officially sanctioned newspaper to protect the image of the colonial government. Print culture helped in initiating a new debate on a religion, social and political issue in India. Many existing religious practices were criticized. Roman Hun Roy published Samd Kaumudi from 1821 to criticize the orthodox view of in the Hinduism. The Hindu Orthodoxy commissioned the Samachar Chandrika to counter his opinion. In 1822, publication of two Persian newspapers began Vizier-i Jahan Nama and the Shamsul Akbar. Bombay Samachar, a Gujarati newspaper, appeared in the same year. And in North India, the Ulama began to publish cheap lithographic print which contained Persian and the Urdu translation of holy scripture. They also published a religion newspaper and attracted the Deoband Assembly was founded in 1867. It published thousand upon thousand fatwas about proper conduct in the life of the Muslim. Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas was printed from Kolkata in 1810. From the 1880s, the Naval Kishore Press at Lucknow and the Shri Venkateshwar Press in Bombay published many religion texts in a vernacular. Printed help in bringing the religious texts which reached of the common masses. It also helped in shaping a new political debate. It also helped in connecting the people from the various parts of India by carrying news of one part to another. News form of publication. Initially, people got to read the novels which were written by the Europeans, but people could not relate to those novels because they were written in a European context. Many writers emerged who began to write in the Indian context. People could correlate with the theme and the character of such a novel in a better way. Many other new form of writing also come into the horizon, like lyrics, short stories, essay about social and the political matter, etc. A new visual culture was taking shape by the end of the 19th century. Many printing press started to produce visual images in a large number. Work of printer like Raja Ravi Verma were produced for the mass circulation through the printing. By the 1870, caricature and the cartoon were being published in a journal and a newspaper. They commented on the various social and the political issue, women and the print. Many writers wrote about the lives and the feelings of the women. Due to this, leadership among the middle class women increased substantially. There were many liberal husbands and father who stressed on women education, while some women get education at the home, some other went to the school as well. This was a time when many women writers also began to express their views or their feelings. Conservative Hindus and Muslims were bill against the women education. They thought that a girl mind would be polluted by the education. People wanted their daughter to read religious texts but did not want them to read anything else. Print and the pupil. Very cheap small books were brought to the market in the 19th century Madras town. These books were sold in a crossroad so that poor people could buy them. Public libraries were set up from the early 20th century, which helped in increasing the access to the book. Many rich people set up library in order to assert their prestige in their area. After the revolt of 1857, the attitude to freedom of the press changed. The Vernacular Press Act was passed in 1878. The act provided the government with the extensive right to censor reports in the editorial of the vernacular press. In a case of a syndication report, the newspaper was warned. If a warning was ignored, the press was liable to seize and the printing machinery confiscated. With this, this lecture is complete. If you like this video, with this lecture, our this chapter is also completed. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so the notification of upcoming video come to you on time. Stay tuned with this chapter and this channel. Thanks for watching the video.